Hello and welcome to What is Your Hobby? Our today's topic is pop art coaster painting. Paint a white base coat over the MDF coaster. Visit the Sparklebox website to buy the coaster painting kit. Please check the link on the screen and in the description box given below. Let's start by knowing a little about pop art. Pop art is a style of art based on simple, bold images of everyday items painted in bright colors. I'm lightly sketching a slice of watermelon at the center, drawing some random lines in the background to divide the space. Use bright colors that are used in the pop art. Bright colors like yellow, red, pink, green, blue, etc. I will now start with the yellow color first. Go over the colored part to make it even. Try to remove the brush strokes. See that you have a flat, even painted coat. Now paint the watermelon slice with a bright red color. Looks like the paints have dried. We will now add some outlines and details with the black paint. I am using a thin brush, but if you want, you can also use markers to draw the outlines. Use thin markers to draw the details. Now I will paint small watermelon seeds with the brush. I'm just dabbing the brush tip to make the seed shapes. Adding some more thick lines to create a finishing effect. So once you are done painting, let the colors dry completely. You can apply a thin coat of transparent nail paint or diluted Mod Podge for that glossy look. You can also use a spray varnish if you have one. Painting some more of the parts in the solid black color. So here I tried drawing with the markers, but looks like the ink in my marker is over and it's looking very dull. So I'm going to paint these uneven coil designs in solid black color. Adding some more here and there to balance it out. Hey guys, my pop art coaster is now ready. Hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Watch more videos on coaster painting. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?